The royal family has a long-standing historic relationship and friendship with the Fijian people that dates back to the early 1900s. After 13 years, we welcome another member of the royal family in our country. And just weeks after the royal visit, Fijians are still proudly sharing stories of the Duke and Duchess of Sussex's memorable 3 days visit. This week on Nation's Business, we bring you the most anticipated historic visit on our shows. From their arrival at the Nausori airport, replicating the Queen's balcony moment, to powerful women empowerment speeches, to meeting local people. Stay with us as we bring you the highlights in this first series. At the Nausori airport, Fijian Prime Minister Voreqe Bainimarama and members of the diplomatic corps greeted the royal couple. Their visit was part of their 2 weeks Commonwealth engagement to Fiji, Tonga, Australia and New Zealand. People from all walks of life filled up the streets from Nausori Airport to Albert Park to get a glimpse of their Royal Highnesses, the Duke and Duchess of Sussex, Prince Harry and Princess Meghan Markle. From here, the royal couple paid a courtesy call to His Excellency the President of Fiji, Major General Chaochi Konrate and First Lady Sarote Konrate.
Now, introduce you to my wife, Your Highness, Mary Sarote.
Along Boron Road, students of Gospel School of the Deaf waited in excitement to get a glimpse of the royal couple.
I feel excited when I see them. I'm excited to meet them. This is the first time I have met any royal family. All the students are here are all deaf, and they're my friends. And we're very excited to be here this afternoon.
Ex-serviceman 68 years old Rambidi Lamavatu is also here to witness another member of the royal family after being part of the RFMF band in 1953 in welcoming Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth.
O wate patalangan ngona mai tukina wakai kwa o viti ngona tona le ono na pala bramsi na para mo Albert Park mbikina na kula kangai wakalunga ta imberni warawa ala chutal ngona ra ngol mai kina na ranandi Kalunga te ni tu wanamba ni kitu wa ndu wa te kina vale na makimbani matibalo na vika tu roko yungo sange mungo na makumputa na marnandi kuna tara usabia ko certo na mena makumbungo merumbu mereda kana ritu tu ni biamba tambangono memuri me bakanga nungo antono mak
Gumano ko singe matani ko sa enro mata. Atino ko musala muli sanga musodore di rono biuci di. Ka kerusa sang kerundur tume sana sambuleka. Pangolom be mole tu babla kasarika moren revi ko boleh.
Stay with us. After the break, we bring you the traditional welcoming ceremony and more Fijian reactions. At the Commonwealth Heads of Governments meeting in London earlier this year, Prime Minister Voreqe Bainimarama invited Prince Harry for a much overdue visit to the country.
I have the honor to announce the arrival of the Royal Highnesses, the Duke and Duchess of Sussex.
Nabi mata tamata ngana na vi matalotu ere tu tagi tu na daga ni vi ba ve tagi sana soange ne tu ni tambua e vina mendon donu ga sabsaba e vela maga tu rabu dambe i e vu yan rau imbola tangane ga tu
Thank you, President, and you, the people of Fiji, for the warm welcome that you have given us here today. The Duchess and I look forward to meeting as many of you as possible over the next 2 days and celebrating the links and close friendship between Fiji and the United Kingdom. Vanaka Vakamavu.
I'm so happy to be here today, this evening, to see the Duke and Duchess of Sussex. I'm here with my family. I'm so happy to be spending this time with them, especially as it's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to meet the royal couple.
I'm here to see the royal family with my boys, my son Jake, my brother-in-law Mazik, Haroy, and Mark. We're very happy to see the royal family. This is our first time to welcome the royal family.
Stay with us after the break. We bring you the historic balcony wave and more.
In 2 years from now, we will mark the 50th anniversary of a momentous date and celebrate not only our nationhood, but the continuity of our ties with the royal family, with Britain and the Commonwealth. Because it is truly an extended family reaching right around the world and embracing common values, institutions, respect for the rule of law, and care and consideration for each other. And in most families, or as in most families, we may have had the occasional disagreement. But it is the enduring nature of our bond that we celebrate tonight. And especially the long history of our association that extends from Queen Victoria through to the present Queen, the head of our Commonwealth, to your father as future King, and to you, Prince Harry, and your brother, Prince William. We also look forward to welcoming one day here in Fiji.
Your Royal Highnesses, Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, may I request that you raise your glasses as I propose a toast to Her Majesty the Queen.
As you know, Fiji has a long tradition of welcoming royal visitors over the years, and our two countries have enjoyed a close relationship and friendship. We share Commonwealth values and common goals, a love of rugby and a sense of humour. Our ties run deep. Your soldiers fought with the British Armed Forces during the First and Second World Wars and continue to serve alongside our soldiers to this day, with more than 1,250 Fijians currently serving. I must emphasise my respect, admiration and camaraderie with the Fijian soldiers that I served with in Afghanistan. We trained together, we fought together, and most importantly, we laughed together. This visit is particularly nostalgic for us as a young married couple. My grandparents stayed in this very hotel, the Grand Pacific, a number of times over the years. But this visit is also an opportunity to learn more about the future of Fiji, your economic growth, sustainable tourism development, and social enterprises. We're really looking forward to meeting the students at the University of South Pacific and the young leaders from all walks of life. The health and sustainability of this planet depends on the younger generation, and they are full of optimism, so let's listen to them. I'm very glad that the British government is increasing its support for Fiji and the region, and we are proud of the long-standing collaboration between the UK and Fiji on climate change, and in fact the UK just hosted its own Talanoa on climate change across Great Britain earlier this month. We look to Fiji to provide leadership on environmental issues which affect all of us, and that have been affecting you as an island nation for many, many years. Fiji is a proud and vibrant culture whose people are so gentle but proud, honourable and resourceful. Your country has demonstrated its fortitude and resilience by rebuilding your communities following the devastating Cyclone Winston 2 years ago. You continue to smile, you continue to have hope, and you continue to share what you have with others. All over the world, Fiji is renowned for its incredible natural beauty and hospitality. We, as a couple, feel very lucky to be spending part of our tour as your guests. Your Excellency, through you, I would also like to wish the people of Fiji the very best for a successful election in November. Vanaka Vakalavu.
Next week on Nation's Business, we bring you more highlights of the royal visit.